Welcome to Where the Pancakes Are. What started as a pop-up has become London's most sought after and classiest pancake destination.
It's our mission to get the nation to fall in love with our heartwarming and nourishing pancakes and experience their magic. During the pandemic, we opened a second restaurant in central London, as well as our online shop. With these achievements, we're now looking at a bolder and brighter future, raising funding for the next part of our journey.
People love pancakes. This hit me when I visited a local pancake house on a rainy day in March. The service, the food, the general ambience were dreadful, yet the place was packed. I was mystified why in North America, in Europe, in Australia, people have tons of great places to enjoy pancakes. Yet in the UK, we have so few.
Growing up in Holland, my mother was a fishmonger who spoon-fed me on the virtues of healthy food and family meals. And my dad was a great home chef who often took us to the village pancake house for an evening meal. Years on, when working in California, the local pancake diner became my go-to place late at night to relax and to feel nurtured.
When I moved to London and became a mother for the first time ever,
I truly missed having simple, beautiful and joyful pancakes as an eating out option. And so I became passionately determined to change this.
Since then, a lot has happened.
We've raised £800,000 to grow our business. We've sold over 500,000 pancakes before COVID, and we've built our success by serving the highest quality food and focusing on one table at a time. The majority of our guests are loyal, return customers, something we are immensely proud of. We've done all this using 100% fresh ingredients, British milled flour, no preservatives, no nonsense. We serve dishes for every appetite and any time of day, not just confined to the 3 meal slots. And our menu effortlessly embraces vegan and gluten-free options. Inclusivity, authenticity and goodness are baked into all parts of the company. Ingredient sourcing, our sustainability program and our genuine commitment to employee advancement and work-life balance.
I first came across Where the Pancakes Are in pop-up form and loved the concept of the one comfort food that was yet to be premiumised. Having built a business myself on pure, honest, simple quality ingredients, I saw the same ethos applied to the pancake recipes. I leapt at the opportunity to invest in the second round, having seen the reality of the emotional connection of customers to the Flatiron Square restaurant and also the brilliance of the management team in consistently producing both food and experience for the customer.
To stay connected with our loyal customers during COVID, we launched our online shop selling pancake essentials and brunch boxes.
With our business going from strength to strength, it's clear that nothing will stop people loving and wanting more pancakes.
With your investment, we'll be able to expand our restaurant portfolio in 2022 and accelerate the growth of our widely loved brand, so that everyone can pull up a chair at Where the Pancakes Are.